If you've recently undergone security checks and need to restore full access to your iCloud account, follow these steps to regain control. This guide will help you navigate the process smoothly. Step 1. Verify your identity. Start by visiting the Apple ID account page. Enter your Apple ID and password. You may be prompted to answer security questions or verify your identity through two-factor authentication. Step 2. Check your email. Look for an email from Apple regarding the security checks. This email may contain instructions or links to help you restore access. Follow any provided steps carefully. Step 3. Update security settings. Once logged in, navigate to the security section of your account settings. Here, you can update your security questions, change your password, and enable two-factor authentication if it is not already active. Step 4. Review account recovery options. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Contact Apple support. If you are still having trouble restoring access, reach out to Apple support. They can provide personalized assistance and help resolve any issues related to your account. By following these steps, you should be able to restore full access to your iCloud account. If you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to seek help from Apple support.